Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as you can see, I've already prepped the canvas. I'm starting off with a black canvas. That's fairly obvious. You also see a cup in the middle. It is kind of grungy looking. It's a cup I've used a few times. I try to reuse and recycle most of my materials. Things like that, of course. You may also see I've made you can barely see it, a very faint X. I just took a piece of yarn and just went from corner to corner, just so I could try to get that right in the middle. I think I succeeded. Well, anyway, let's go ahead and show you what I'm using. I'm going to be using some gold and some silver, some red and some neon blue, and last little bit of neon green. These three colors, other than the silver and the gold, the other three will just be more of an accent. I'm doing mostly silver and gold. And I'm going to go ahead and get that on the canvas. And then I'm going to, I don't know if swipe it is necessarily the proper terminology, but I'm going to be swiping it with either these skewers or some feathers. And you'll see just what I'll be doing here in one moment. We'll get the paint on the canvas first. Just going to sort of go around randomly. Oh, and as far as additives go, excuse me, with all the paints, it's just water and PVA glue. No other additives this time. Not looking for any sort of cell formation or anything of that nature. If it happens, it happens. It's fine, whatever, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm just putting it around the cup, and then I'm going to spread it around the canvas. And then we'll see just what we get. Just making sure there's lots of gold. Again, I really want the emphasis, the main colors to shine through, to be the silver and the gold. And actually, you know what? I think we're just going to disregard those other three colors and we'll just do the silver and the gold and see how that looks. And if we have to, we'll add the other colors after. And we'll just see how that works out. And we don't need a great deal of paint, I don't think anyway. That will probably be enough. So, oh, got a little drip there. Don't want that. Once I start swiping, it'll cover, most likely cover over that stuff, but I want to try to keep it kind of clean. Another one there, just mix that in. Or blend it in, I guess maybe is more appropriate to say. All right, so what I'm going to do is just start swiping outward and in a bit of an arc. And yeah, the skewers are not going to do it, so I'm going to go ahead and try the feathers. I've had good luck with those in the past. Yeah, I like that better. Ease up though, a bit of a lighter touch. wiping some of the black off. And I'm just going to actually get a fresh feather and just continue going around. Yeah, the feathers keep picking up the black, and I don't really want the black spread around. Just trying to move the silver and the gold. Yeah, it looks like if I dip the feather in the gold, or the silver, it seems to be working fairly well. Just continuing around. Just trying to keep a very light touch. Okay, now I'll take off the middle bit here. There we are. And I think we'll do just a little bit in the middle, just because we've got that bleeding in anyway. Oops, didn't mean to do that much, but that's all right. Just pulling a little bit of that silver and gold into the middle. And keep pulling it out. All right. Yeah, I think that's going to do it. Hold on 1 minute. So, I got a weird line there for some reason. I want to get rid of that. All right, I think that should do it. Let's see here. All right, yeah, that's going to do it. Don't have to wait. You know, as I said, there's no additives that might cause any cell formation. I'm sure if there's, if there's going to be cells, you'd see them already. Let's get a bit of a close-up on that. All right, so if you liked what you saw, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.